guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Blurry, but we're going to play with the starter guys. That was my cousin. It's so bubbly, like, look, bubbly.
No, please! Stop it!
Sorry, that's my cousin back there. Shut up, Lucas! Sorry, guys. You guys keep on falling. What? You guys keep on falling. Shut up, Lucas!
Let me out! Let me out of the basement! Please! Please! No!
You're right there. My cousin! He's gone! He went into the basement. Oh no. Guys, look at my huge bubble. Cousin, are you okay? Yeah.
You're supposed not to care about me.
Hello, Gus, where are you? Oh shit, he's in the basement. How did you get up there? Where is he? Where is the basement? Sorry, guys. Shut up! You bitch!